A few weeks ago, thieves broke into a house in my neighborhood. That was a wake-up call. I already had a couple of wired Eufy cameras, but I needed more coverage, especially in areas where running cables wasn't practical. So I chose the Eufy S220 SoloCam because it matched the resolution of my existing cameras, 2K QHD, but it's battery-powered, compact, and has a built-in solar panel for continuous charging. In the box, there are the camera itself, an adjustable mount, 3 wall plugs, and a charging cable. It features a 135-degree wide-angle lens, night vision with a bright f1.6 aperture, AI-powered human detection, two-way audio, and a built-in 75 dB siren. It's IP67 weatherproof and stores footage locally with 8 GB of internal memory, no monthly fees required. I mounted the camera in a spot that gets about 3 hours of direct sunlight per day. Initially, I used the built-in solar panel, thinking it would be enough. But after a few days, I noticed the battery was slowly draining, about 2% per day. So I upgraded to a larger 5-watt solar panel. It's weatherproof, has an adjustable mount, and connects via USB-C. It is a 5 watts monocrystalline solar panel, IP65 rated, with operating temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius and +50 degrees Celsius. It has a USB-C cable 9.8 feet or 3 meters long. In the box, there are also a 360-degree adjustable mount, 5 rubber grommets for Eufy cameras, 3 wall plug, and a USB-C to micro USB adapter. As you can see, the panel starts generating current as it gets some light. Even with a not perfect alignment to the sun, it generates 2 or 3 watts, far more than the 0.9 max of the S220 embedded panel. Since installing it, the camera stays at 100% charge, even with many detection events and overcast or rainy days. If you're considering the Eufy S220, I highly recommend it. Just make sure your solar setup matches your sun exposure. The upgraded panel made all the difference for me.